Today's our anniversary. It's our 14-year anniversary, and I'm taking my wife shopping at the mall. Guess where I'm gonna take you? It's a surprise. You figure out where I'm gonna take you?
You're going to take me to Prestige.
She just wants to go on the escalator so I can take her picture. Welcome to the Prestige Mall. All right, we're here. You ready to go shopping?
Baby, I was born to shop.
All right, let's go. Do you like this place?
Of course.
It's not this place. It's not that place.
Can I go?
Nope, not this one either. We are, and it's not this place.
I'm gonna get another set of Tiffany's.
Nope.
Shoes.
Shoes? Nope, not that place.
Is it the one?
This is the one. That
go.
is not it. Nope. Nope, don't go that way. That's not it either.
Versace on the floor.
Versace on the floor. She got jokes, guys. She got jokes. You ready to go to Valentino? See that? Full electric car right there. I'm gonna buy one for her. The toy size. You know what? I don't think I found what I'm looking for in here. I think it's on the other side of the mall. On the other side, follow me. All right, it's this way. I know, we're almost near.
Better be good.
Do you feel the excitement? Are you excited?
Of course.
She's excited. She is excited because we're about to get the best anniversary gift anyone's ever had in their whole entire life. Well, guys, we've made it. Check it out. That's right, it's IKEA. How excited are you?
Is this where you're taking me?
Yes, you're welcome.
Unlimited coffee, yes.
Dun, 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 dun.
Can I get a chicken mushroom?
You know what? Go ahead. Go ahead, get whatever you want. You want a halloum sandwich? You want a salad? Get whatever you want. It's our anniversary. Whatever she wants, because she's my girl for 14 years. Whatever. The sky's the limit. Unlimited. All them meatballs. Yeah.
Happy 14 years anniversary. This is what we got for our anniversary. Swedish meatballs, our chicken mashbush, my favorite carrot cake, and my other favorite red velvet cake. And of course, coffee.
You don't gotta spend a lot to have a good anniversary. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Hey, after we eat, we're gonna go to Chanel.